Did you know that butter is actually a good source of vitamins A, D, E, and K? These nutrients are essential for your health, and they help your body function properly. For centuries, butter has been a staple in many cuisines around the world. It was once considered a luxury item, but as its production became more widespread, it became a common ingredient in many households. Over time, however, butter's reputation took a hit, and it was vilified as a source of saturated fat. Butter is primarily composed of fat, with a small amount of protein and water. It's also a rich source of fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K. These vitamins are essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, and eyes, as well as supporting immune function. However, butter is also high in saturated fat, which has been linked to increased cholesterol levels and heart disease. The saturated fat in butter can raise low-density lipoprotein, or LDL, cholesterol levels, which can increase the risk of heart disease. On the other hand, butter also contains conjugated linoleic acid, or CLA, which has been shown to have potential health benefits, including weight management and improved immune function. Additionally, butter is a source of butyric acid, a short-chain fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory properties. When it comes to heart health, some studies suggest that moderate butter consumption may not have a significant impact on cardiovascular risk. However, other research suggests that high butter intake can increase the risk of heart disease. In terms of weight management, some studies suggest that butter's high fat content can help with satiety and weight loss, while others argue that its high calorie count can hinder weight loss efforts. Recent studies have shed more light on butter's health effects. A 2020 review of 26 studies on butter consumption found that moderate butter intake was not associated with a significant increase in cardiovascular risk. According to a very well-known registered dietitian, butter can be part of a healthy diet when consumed in moderation. In conclusion, the debate about butter's health effects is complex, and the science is still out. While butter can be a nutritious addition to a balanced diet, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Ultimately, a healthy diet is all about balance and making informed choices. If you're passionate about healthy eating, share your thoughts on butter in the comments below. If you want to learn more about healthy fats, check out our video on the benefits of avocado oil.